We are 2 days away from the Samsung Unpacked event of 2024, and everything about the S24 series has been leaked, or maybe barring some last-minute surprises. The screen is flat. Samsung has confirmed it themselves. The phone and the retail box leaked. Build materials and storage options leaked. It's no more a secret that Samsung is going all out on AI. There's even a leak that they are getting the 7 years of Android OS update for the S24 series. However, there is a big problem about the Samsung S24 series that could make me completely skip the S24 series, and let's talk about it. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot, and I'm so excited to have you on this one. Samsung is already fired up to challenge Google and Apple in 2024 because they want to take the crown of the best smartphone of 2024. I already made a video that talked about that, so make sure you click on that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell icon if you want to watch that. I should upload that video by tomorrow or next. To dominate the smartphone flagship space in 2024, Samsung is going all out on AI. That's one of the places that they haven't been so great in the past, but they are now about to take over with AI. To match or even go beyond Google, Samsung is offering a new AI-enhanced note app, Live Translate, new AI Assist, Circle Anywhere to search on text, images, or videos. There's more AI enhancements in Zoom, night videography, camera and video recording, even editing. No wonder Samsung renamed the S24 series to Galaxy AI. In terms of raw performance and power, the 1-year-old Samsung S23 Ultra already destroys the Pixel 8 Pro in terms of performance and power, and the GPU in that phone is a little bit better than what is in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And you see, this feat was achieved with 1-year-old Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. But the S24 Ultra is about to raise the bar with the new trailblazing Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, meaning that it's getting the best of performance and the best of AI on chip. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is specially designed for high-level on-chip AI operation, and Samsung is all out to leverage on it. Talking about taking leverage, this is the right time to take leverage on watching this video by clicking on that subscribe button and turning on notification bell icon to get a video once we upload a video like this. Amid all this excitement about the Samsung S24 Ultra, there is a problem because Samsung S24 Ultra is not the only flagship Android phone that is coming with the trailblazing Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And from the leaks that we have seen so far, there are many regions that will be getting the S24 and the S24 Plus with the dreaded Exynos chip. This can actually kill the excitement in some of these regions that are getting that, and I wish this is the only problem with the S24 series, but it is not. Barring any last-minute surprises, I hope Samsung surprised me this time around. All the leaks that have come out so far is showing that the S24 Ultra is going to launch with the 12 gig of RAM only, and that is a big problem. To put it in perspective, 3 years ago the S21 Ultra had an option of 16 gig at launch, and that is 3 years ago, and 3 years down the line we cannot even get a 16 gig of RAM option at launch. I just wish that Samsung surprised me about that. Moving away from Samsung past, let's look at the competition. Asus ROG Phone 8 and OnePlus 12 are offering 24 gigs of RAM option. Yes, I know that 24 gig of RAM could be an overkill, but you can buy this Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Android flagship with 24 gigs of RAM and 1 TB storage option for a price lower or similar than Samsung S24 Ultra's 12GB RAM and 256 storage offering, which is their base offering. 12 gigs of RAM on an Android phone in 2024 is more than enough, but you have to think about your past offerings and also think about the competition that's around, or even think about future-proofing the phone for people who are going to spend that much to get the Ultra model of the best that you are offering. Strong leaks suggest that Samsung is going to match Pixel 8's 7 years of Android OS updates offering, and if that turns out true, then the 12GB of RAM on the S24 Ultra becomes even a bigger problem. To put it in perspective, 7 years ago, 4GB of RAM was enough on any Android phone, and anything above that, 7 years ago was an overkill. But 7 years down the line, I cannot even recommend you buy an Android phone with 4GB of RAM right now. For me, if you're the type of person that uses a phone between 6 months and 2 years, this shouldn't be a big problem. But if you're the one that wants to get this best phone and use it for 3 to 4, 5 years, yes, this could be a great concern. On the other hand, shouldn't the Ultra phone have the maxed out option? I mean, I'm not even asking for a 24 gigs of RAM. I'm just saying that there should be a 16GB of RAM at launch for those who want to pre-order this phone. So yeah, I'm hoping for a surprise from Samsung in 2 days' time at the January 17, 2024 Unpack event launch, or maybe by the time you're watching this video, the RAM options has been revealed. So, by that and any other thing, I feel that if I cannot get up to 16GB of RAM on the S24 Ultra, I might have to consider the other option coming from Android. Do like, share, and make sure you click on that subscribe button and leave me a comment in the comment section, because I'll be right there waiting for your comment. And until I see you in the next video, it is peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.